In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the 24-hour volume in Tradingview. Whether you're a trader trying to analyze market trends or just looking to keep track of your favorite stocks and cryptocurrencies, understanding the 24-hour volume can significantly enhance your trading decisions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Tradingview, which is a popular platform for charting and analysis used by millions of traders worldwide. Open your preferred web browser and type in tradingview.com in the search bar, then hit enter. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, you'll see a range of options and tools at your disposal. Tradingview offers a robust set of features, but for now, our focus will be on accessing the 24-hour volume view. Next, you'll want to click on the Super Charts option. This area of Tradingview provides in-depth charts and a highly customizable interface, which will serve as the foundation for the 24-hour volume indicator we're looking to access. Once you've clicked on Super Charts, your screen will display a wealth of information and charting tools. Our next step is crucial: locating the Indicators button. You'll find this near the top of your chart screen. Clicking here will open up a myriad of options, since Tradingview is renowned for its comprehensive listing of technical indicators. These range from simple moving averages to advanced scripts created by community members, designed to cater to traders of all levels. Within this list of indicators, you need to find the one labeled 24-hour volume. This specific indicator provides insight into the volume of trades executed over the past 24 hours. A critical metric for assessing liquidity and price movement in nearly any market. Now, once you've selected the 24-hour volume indicator, you might want to draw attention to it on your chart for better visibility. To do this, click on the Highlight option, which will make this indicator stand out more prominently against all other data. Highlighting is particularly useful if you're monitoring multiple indicators simultaneously and need to ensure the volume stands out at a glance. Finally, for those who prefer their information displayed in a certain way, Tradingview offers the flexibility to adjust your chart view based on preference. If you want the volume indicator displayed in the upper view of your chart, you can position it there, ensuring it's easily visible and conveniently located according to your trading style. And there you have it, a straightforward way to view the 24-hour volume on Tradingview, a key insight into the market's behavior over the past day. This, in turn, should empower you to make more informed trading decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.